In my previous video, I've shown you how to connect your camera to computer using Wi-Fi. One of my viewers has asked me, so after downloading the photos and videos to your computer, where can you find them? So in this video, I will show you how to find your photos on your computer, or in other words, I will show you how to change the folder location for your downloaded photos, as well as some of the formats of the naming of the files that you can use. So let's get started. First, connect your camera to your computer using the method I've shown in my previous video. Then go and open your EOS utility app. If you're connected successfully, then it will give you these three options. So here I'm interested in the first one, which is download images to computer. Select it. Here you can select start automatic download, or you could select and download. Click again and it will open all your photos from your camera. Here we got a couple of options. Obviously, if you click on one and then click on download, it will download, but it doesn't show you the location where it download. So to find the location, you could go to the file and then click on preferences, and here under the destination folder tab, you would see a destination folder. Click on there and then select any folder that you're interested to save the files and folder, or you could find your default folder that all the downloaded photos and videos are saved. After finding your downloaded folder, just click on that folder and then click on OK. You could create a subfolder in this folder and save images there based on the dates, but I prefer the file name, so I go to the file name. I prefer to select shooting date plus a number, and then you can assign a sequence number. Depending upon how many photos you download and how often do you do that, you can select the number of digits. I prefer 3 digits here, and you can also change the starting number. Every now and then after a download, for example, if you have downloaded 50, this number would become 50 automatically for the next time. And in order to reset it, you need to come back to the file name tab and then change it again. For example, now change it to 0 to reset it. And you can change here the shooting date format, year, month, day, what type of delimiter you want, whether you want it to be underline, none, or hyphen. And this shows you an example how it will look like. The year comes first, then the month, then the day, and then the 3-digit numbers. Once you're happy, click on OK. And if you click on here, you can click on select all to select all, or you can select new. For this example, I will select all, and then it shows you how many photos and videos you have selected. In this example, after my recent trip, I have taken around 175 photos and videos. After doing that, you can simply click on download. Once again, it will show you the folder where it is going to be saved. You still got a choice to change the destination folder and file name, because these two are the most important. But if you're happy with already set default folder, click on OK, and then it will start downloading. After your download is finished, this symbol would appear at individual images or videos that are downloaded to make sure that your download is successful. So just to double check, I have downloaded 175 photos and videos. I'll go to the downloaded folder. You could go and select the bottom image or the top image, and then scroll up to the first image on the top, hold the shift and then select it. At the bottom corner here, it shows how many images are selected, which says 175. Then I go back to my EOS utility and it also shows 175. That means I have successfully downloaded the 175 photos and videos. Now you can delete them or you can leave them, but to keep things organized so that things would not mix up, I usually delete them. So I just click on delete. Then it asks you, are you sure you want to delete all? I said yes. Now I have deleted all the photos and videos from my camera. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.